Plural nouns in Spanish. In this short lesson, you'll learn how to make nouns plural in Spanish. It's simple when you know the rules. Let's get started. If a noun ends in a vowel, we simply add an S at the end of the word. For example, carro, carros, casa, casas. If a noun ends in a consonant, we simply add ES at the end of the word. For example, árbol, árboles, balón, balones. If a noun ends in a Z, change it to CES. For example, lápiz, lápices. Let's practice using articles with the nouns. The house, la casa. The houses, las casas. A house, una casa. Some houses, unas casas. The tree, el árbol. The trees, los árboles. A ball, un balón. Some balls, unos balones. The pencil, el lápiz. The pencils, los lápices. A pencil, un lápiz. Some pencils, unos lápices. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on plural nouns. Now you know how to change singular words into plurals, whether they end in vowels, consonants, or even a Z, and how to use the correct definite and indefinite articles with them. Keep practicing with everyday words around you. Books, tables, apples, and more. The more you use them, the easier it gets. In the next lesson, we'll take another step forward in building your Spanish skills. I'll see you in the next video.